Oh, eat it, eat it, eat it! Eat it! Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another yummy food video. Today with me I have my nephew Shlok. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we are eating something that I know we all are missing in this lockdown, and that is chaat. I just cannot wait to start eating. Also, chaat was suggested by my sister Sia Kutsarkar and also Shanil Kamath. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for suggesting this idea. Also, if you have any idea for me, please do let me know in the comment section below or message me on Instagram, Miss Bharni. So let's start with the video. Let me tell you all what I have on my table. So guys, as we all know that all the street side chaats and everything is not available currently due to lockdown, corona and curfew. I don't know when it will get over. But thankfully, I have a very lovely Tanu Treats, who is my sister at home, who makes so many lovely yummy things for me, has arranged this chaat affair for us today. So yes, let's start with the video. So on my table, I have bhel puri, sev puri, and of course, the star, that is pani puri. Also, we have kokum sarbat over here for Shlok. Shlok, are you excited to start this video?
Yes.
What's the first thing that you want to try from this table?
Bhel puri.
Okay, so let's start with the bhel puri now. The first bite of bhel after a very long time. Shlok, cheers. Mmm. It's delicious. My sister Tanvi is sitting behind the camera waiting for her expression. It's amazing, Tanvi. Thank you so much. Yummy, yummy. One bite for you all, those who are craving bhel puri. I love bhel puri, but there's one thing which I love even more, and that is sev puri. They've just made it, that style, it's amazing. I'm going to move this a little bit and get it over here. Shlok, here is your kokum sharbat. Wow, it smells amazing. Cheers, Shlok, pick one. Pick one. You don't want? Well then, the whole plate's for me. Heaven. Shlok, you really don't want to try sev puri? Oh, by the way, Shlok had not revealed his look in the last video, but here it is, his summer look. Now he's awkward. Okay, I'm going to have one more and then we're going to move on to the pani puri, which looks amazing. By the way, all of this is homemade, just not the puris but the rest. So Shlok, how is your bhel?
Perfect.
It's spicy, sweet. What's the flavors?
Sweet.
Sweet. So my sister has made it less spicy for Shlok. I love spicy and she has made it a little sweeter for him. Alright, I just cannot wait. Let's try the pani puri. So here I have to just DIY, do it yourself, like do it myself. Let's take a puri, break it. Let's prepare this puri. My sister has made yummy pani puri filling over here. Look, do you want pani puri? Then why are you sitting in this video? He's not eating anything. Okay, so I've filled it with the potato mixture. Let's dip it in this pani. Oh, I'm sure you guys, your mouth is watering. Cheers. amazing. So Shlok has made a puri for himself. It's plain puri. Are you going to add the stuffing in it? Do you want the potato stuffing? No, because he's going to directly dip it. Dip it properly, full. Oh, eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
कुछ खाता हूँ
Shlok's first ever pani puri. This is. It's all over my pants. Thanks. Yay! Do you like it? Okay, so I've gone back to my bhel. It's really amazingly done. Tanu, so I want to put up a recipe video or something on your Tanu Treats.
Yes.
Okay. So I shall put up a link to her food page in the description below to check it out. Also, she has a YouTube channel. Do subscribe to my channel as well. So what's my channel's name?
Miss Burning.
And what should everyone do who's watching this video?
Like, share and subscribe.
The sev puri is the best on this table. It's amazingly made. Okay. Shlok's going for his second puri, pani puri now. And I'm going to make myself one more. Don't laugh, don't laugh. Okay. Okay, let's. How is the kokum sarbat? It's homemade.
Good.
Good. So Shlok, which is your favorite kind of chaat?
First, I love plain puri,
Plain puri.
then pani puri, and bhel puri.
And
Bhel puri.
Shlok also loves the save that they put over the chaat, and they sometimes give him in that small plate, which he enjoys eating. Right? So as a child, I remember the best part of going to the beach was not the beach. It was the chaat that I used to eat after going on the beach, and it was a lovely time spent. Nowadays, children cannot go to the beach because of this lockdown and everything. But even before lockdown, we used to at least make it a point to go once on the beach every month, and we used to enjoy eating the pani puri and the bhel puri, sev puri, the shawarmas, golas, and a lot more. Why are you laughing? Okay, we are back after a small laughing break, which was for no reason. And
No,
Shlok,
it was a reason.
Shlok loved the pani puri so much, he's going for the third one now. Shlok, he's taking the puri, but it's going all over my pants and his pants also. So as I was saying, after gola, I used to also enjoy eating pav bhaji a lot more. It was a. So Shlok, what is your favorite memory of going to the beach? Shlok loves
The beach and playing with sand.
Shlok loves
Eating
playing in the
gola.
sand, eating gola. Which is your favorite gola, Shlok? The pink one?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. You want? Shlok is full. So do comment and tell me which is your favorite chaat. Bhel puri, sev puri. I even like ragda patties. We shall make it someday, right? Tanu Treats.
Yeah.
So we shall be making it someday. And of course I will film it. Shlok, did you like the pani puri so much that you're eating one more? Here. So guys, as you can see, we have almost finished everything. The pani puri was attacked by Shlok, the sev puri was attacked by me, and we are still working on the bhel puri because it is too much to eat at once.
This is not free.
Huh?
This is not free.
Will you drink it? Ah. He's going to have bath with it. No nonsense ideas, Dinaka. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video watching us eat. It was a lot of fun for us to film it as well. And I know you guys are craving sev puri, pani puri and bhel puri now. So hit that subscribe button. And let's wish that this lockdown is over soon and all our street side vendors open their stalls for us. And it's safe. And so that he's making me conscious. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, please do like this video. Share this video with your friends and family. Also with some stubborn kids if you all have at home. Not stubborn, very cute kids if you all have at home. And please subscribe to my channel. Show me some support so that we can come back soon with more such fun videos. If you guys have any ideas for us, please do let us know in the comment section below. Or send me a message on my Instagram Ms. Bharne or Roma Loves Food. And do check out my sister's Instagram page Tanu Treats for the recipe and also her YouTube channel Tanvi Bharne. And yes, come back next time when I post a new yummy, hungry, mouth-watering video. Bye. Shlok say bye.
Bye.
Boss. शिव तोनू तोंडा करून श्लोका खासयता आणि एकदा भायर गेलो संपला अशें दुखलून भायर काडटले हांव
आता फुली न्ही आता जाले दाखण्याचा पाणीपुरी हे केले पण
I hope you guys enjoyed as So guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Magamos, you distract Zada.